Kumkum kids. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine. Children, as you know that this is your number copy. And today we will write in this copy number in words from 21 till 30. Now open your copy and write with me. Children, in the first, you will draw the margin line on the left side of the copy like this. Then you will write the heading on the top of the page. And the heading is number in words 21 till 30. Then you will write the 2 in one box and 1 in another box. Then you will give the sign of is equal to. Then write the spelling of 20. And the spelling of 21 is TWENTY 20. Then you will leave the one column and write the spelling of 1 ONE 21. Now write it again with me and leave the one column. 21. The sign of is equals to, and then write the spelling of 20 TWENTY 20, and leave one column and write here the spelling of 1 ONE 21. Now write it again, leave the one line and write it. Now write it again 21. Then you will write the sign of is equals to, and the spelling of 20 is TWENTY 20, and the spelling of 1 is ONE 21. Now write it again 21. The sign of is equals to, the spelling of 20 is TWENTY 20 ONE 21. Children, you will write 4 times the spelling of 21. Then you will draw the line in the middle of the page like this. Like this. Then you will write the spelling of 22. And the spelling of 22 is, in the first you will write the 22. The sign of is equals to, and the spelling of 22 is TWENTY 20. Then you will leave the one column, and the spelling of 2 is TWO2. And the spelling of 22 is TWENTY 20 TWO2 22. Now write it again 22. The sign of is equals to, and the spelling of 20 is TWENTY 20. Leave one column, and the spelling of 2 is TWO2 22. Now write it again 22. The sign of is equals to, then write here TWENTY 20. Leave one box. Then write here the spelling of 2 TWO2 22. Now write it again 22. The sign of is equals to, and the spelling of 20 TWENTY 20 TWO2 22. I hope children you will learn the spelling of 21 and the 22. Children, I hope you will read and learn these spellings at home with the guidance of your parents. Thank you, take care, and Allah Hafiz.